At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, as a registered nurse involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Research and plan. Understand what an LLC is and how it can benefit you as a registered nurse. LLCs provide liability protection, flexibility in management, and potential tax advantages. Consider consulting with a lawyer or a financial advisor specializing in small businesses to understand the legal and financial implications. 2. Choose a name. Select a unique and appropriate name for your LLC. Ensure the name complies with your state's LLC naming rules and is not already in use by another business. 3. File articles of organization. Contact the Secretary of State or the appropriate state agency where you plan to operate your LLC. Submit the Articles of Organization form, along with the required filing fee. This form typically includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, purpose, and registered agent. 4. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where the LLC is registered. 5. Draft an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, it's advisable to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, decision-making processes, and distribution of profits and losses among members. Consult with a legal professional to ensure the operating agreement aligns with your business goals and complies with state regulations. 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. As a registered nurse, you may need to obtain professional licenses or permits to practice in your state. Ensure compliance with all regulatory requirements and obtain any necessary credentials.
7. Opting an ein.
Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is a unique identifier for your LLC and is necessary for tax purposes, hiring employees, opening bank accounts, and more. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 8. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a business bank account for your LLC. This account should be used exclusively for LLC-related transactions. 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. Fulfill any ongoing compliance requirements, such as filing annual reports, paying state taxes, and maintaining proper records for your LLC. 10. Consider professional assistance. If you're unsure about any aspect of setting up your LLC or want to ensure everything is done correctly, consider hiring professionals like lawyers, accountants, or business consultants to assist you. Remember that the specific requirements for setting up an LLC can vary by state, so it's essential to research and follow the regulations in your particular jurisdiction. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.